Welcome to Roanoke College Ingeniux Training Lesson 9, Insert a Picture. In this lesson, I'll show you how to upload a picture using the Assets icon and then inserting it into your web page. So the first step is to go ahead and go to the Assets icon. That's going to bring you up a list of all the system assets. You're going to go ahead and expand the Images subsection, and you'll see folders for all the various departments. Today I'm going to go ahead and select the Training folder, and I'm going to click the Upload button. I previously have a picture of Stephen Carter on my desktop, so I'm going to select that and say Open. Now, this picture is slightly larger than what I actually want to put into there, so I'm going to check the Edit Image button, and that's going to allow me to edit the image right after I upload it. So then I'm going to go ahead and select Upload. It's uploaded the picture and it's giving me the option to edit it. So I'm going to say Edit Image. From here, I can resize my picture, crop it, rotate it, or flip it. And you notice that the width of this document is 490, and this is listed in something called pixels. And what you need to know about pixels is that the entire area available for content is about 550 pixels. So this would take up almost your entire area, and I don't want it to be that big. So I'm going to resize it to about 150 pixels. And notice that it's automatically going to select, do the math, and figure out what the height should be to match that. That's because I have this button called Keep Aspect Ratio checked. If you don't keep that checked, it's going to distort your picture, so it's not going to look very good. And you need to notice that there's a little green icon here. That's going to go ahead and apply the change. So select that, and there's the new resized picture. And I'm going to go ahead and save my changes. And there's my picture, and close that. Now I'm ready to insert the picture into my document, so I'm going to check it out. And in this case, I'm going to put my insertion point right before the S in Mr. Carter's name. And there's an icon that looks like a still life or a nature painting with a small tree. It says Insert or Edit Image. Click on that. It's going to ask for the image URL, and next to that is a Browse button. That's going to allow me to browse all the images in the system. Again, I can click the little plus button and get access to all the subfolders. This does take a minute to load, so do be patient here. And I'm going to scroll down till I find my training folder. And I'm going to sort my pictures by date, descending, so I need to click on Date Modified twice. And there's my picture Stephen Carter. So I'll go ahead and select that and say OK. And I want to make sure that I give my title a description. And then I could go into the Appearance tab and decide where I want this picture to be. And there's a lot of different options here, but really the ones that you want to focus on either left or right. So we could push that far over to the right or push it over to the left. So I'm going to say left, and I'm going to give a small amount of horizontal and vertical space on my picture. Typically we recommend about 5 here, and that'll bring the picture far away from the edge of the text. And you want to do the same thing if you're selecting right. And I'm going to go ahead and say Insert, and there is my picture. It is pushed over to the left, and it has some space between the end of the picture and the next one. In this case, I just need to push down the next line of text to start. And I would probably want to go ahead and add a picture for this other speaker. So I'm all done. I'm going to go ahead and save that page and check it in.